Hello kids, are you ready for exciting activity to do together? Let's do a fun spelling exercise. I know you love doing this one, so come along and let's begin. Here's our first word kids. Bear. Let's spell it. B E A R bear. You did it. Well done. Bears are big furry animal that likes to eat honey and fish. It has a strong sense of smell and lives in the forest. Aren't they cute? Are you ready for more? Let's try another one. Here's the second word. We are going to spell milk. Let's spell that out. M I L K milk. Great job, you did it again. Milk is a very healthy for you. It can help you grow strong bones and teeth. It's also great for making cheese and ice cream. Let's move on to the next word. Cool. Okay, this is a cool one. How do you spell the word dance? Okay, let's spell it. D A N C dance. That's it. You got it right. Fantastic. A dance is when you move your body in cute and see the waist, the music. You can twirl, wiggle, jump, or even clap your hands to make your own dance. Dancing is so much fun. Okay, moving on to the next one. Fantastic. The next word we are going to spell is eat. E A T. Eat. Wow, you're very good at this, kids. High five. Eat means putting food in your mouth and chewing it. Kids, in order to stay healthy and grow, you should eat nutritious food such as fruits and vegetables. Let's keep going. Marvelous. Oh, I like this one. It's easy. Bed. Time to spell it. B E D bed. Awesome work, kids. I bet it's a cozy place where you can rest your head and cuddle up with your favorite blanket. And this is where you lie down to sleep and have sweet dreams. All right, you're going a great job, kids. Let's keep working. The next word we are going to spell is bank. B A N K bank. You're super amazing, kids. High five. A bank is where people keep their money safe. You can go to the bank to deposit your saving or withdraw money to buy toys or treats. Isn't it cool, kids? All right, off to the next word. Hooray! The next word we are going to spell is box. Now let's spell it. B O X box. You're really good at this good work, kiddos. All right. A box is a container where you can place your toys, clothes, and other things. Bintus, don't forget to return your toys in their boxes after playing. All right, good job. Now let's spell another one. The next word we are going to spell is frog. Let's do this. Frog. Frog. That's perfect. Well done. A frog is a small animal that lives in both water and on land. They have a slimy skin, long legs, and big eyes. I know you want to spell more word. Kiddos, let's do some more wonderful. The next word we are going to spell is leaf. How do we spell leaf? Let's do it. Leaf. Leaf. Wow, you're super amazing, kiddos. A leaf is a part of plant that grows on a stem. Did you know that leaves help the plant make their own food? Wow, that's right, kiddos. Awesome. Now let's spell our next word. Yes. Oh, this is an easy one. Let's spell the word play. Here we go. P L A Y play. Wonderful job, kiddos. Yahoo! Kiddos, what do you do in your playtime? Do you play with your toys, run around your house, or sing songs? Maybe you'd like to learn something new during your playtime. That's right, that sound a lot of fun. Okay, let's spell more word, kiddos. Love it. Now let's spell the word desk. Follow me. D E S K. Desk. Great work, kiddos. Well done. A desk is a piece of furniture where you can write and draw or do your homework. It has a flat surface and sometimes you have drawers or you can put your things. Now let's jump to the next one. Fantastic, kiddos. How do you spell the word earth? Let's do this. E A R T H Earth. That's incredible, kiddos. Good job. The Earth is our home planet. This beautiful world will live in his land, ocean, and beautiful sky. Congratulations on completing your fun and exciting spelling class today. Kiddos, remember that spelling is an important skill that will help you get better in school. So keep on practicing. Now we reach the end of our lesson. But before I go, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you are looking for more educational videos like this one, just type in Nipped Up Cartoons on the YouTube search bar. Bye, kiddos, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Learning and fun. See you in the next.